Okay, well, here's how this thing looks. Now, see how this hinge right here is all pulled, stretched out, unrolled, if you will? And what that's doing is creating a gap right here. And then this thing is not, in a perfect world, that would go into one of those holes and you could adjust the chute. But it's so stretched out, the stop here isn't working. So that's what I'll be trying to work on. Thanks. So I think I'm going to just clean that up a little bit, so if I roll it back together, the jagged edges aren't going to conflict with each other. So I'm going to clean that edge up, both sides, and then I'm going to heat it up and try to roll it back together and then weld it up. This side seems like it's okay. Okay, I just heated it up with the torch. Put a rod in there to help me line it up. And I curled it backwards. And it looks pretty good. Burning hot right now, so I'm not going to touch it. But now I've got to weld that, clean that crack out, and weld that bad boy up. And then I'll take it out there and fit it on that. Alright, well, it looks like I'm going to have to heat that bad boy up. So let's see if I can do that. Yes, I'm using a cutting torch to heat stuff up, but I don't feel like changing it out. I've got my rod in here for alignment. Yeah, that looks good. You know what I wish I had that I don't, and I could have had them, is a big fat anvil. I remember giving them away back in the day. Now they're worth their weight in gold, and I didn't end up with one, darn it. You know what you gotta watch out with these chippers and torches and welders is fires. Little, there it is. Stuff catches on fire. All right. Okay, now I'm back on this side. Yep, it is cool. Welded the crack up. Okay. Dug that out so much, kept the pin in there, and then I promptly welded the pin, this rod here, in there. So it took me forever to get that out. But once I got that out, all is good. It's a little bit tight, but I'm okay with that stuff. Now what I want to do is I want to take these and go that way with these two hinges, basically that way, because I still have a little bit too much gap when I test fit this. So I want to roll these up just the way they are, and I think we're going to be good. Okay, so it got dark on me, so I was rushing through this, but it all worked out very well. I put 3 tacks in each one of these to kind of keep them from unrolling in the future. I put a new 3/8 of an inch pin in there, welded a washer on that side and a cotter pin there. It's good that way. The fitment is good, and everything looks good under there. So that'll about do it for this one. Alrighty. See you later.